Legends of Learning presents the Angry Birds Forces in Action game. This is a science game that makes learning about the factors influencing motion, Newton's first and second laws, fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game based on Angry Birds, where through different levels players experiment with launches, collisions and trajectories to discover how forces and motion work in the real world. Each challenge introduces a key physics concept, from speed and acceleration to Newton's laws, using visual experiment-based gameplay. Instead of memorizing formulas, players observe, test, and compare results. Launch the birds using the slingshot to solve each challenge, and observe how motion and forces change in different situations. Each level presents a different experiment that you must analyze to progress. Basic controls involve dragging the slingshot to aim and shoot. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.